Hey, you all. Listen, I just want to talk for a minute about students. I mean, you guys are students, all right? I want to kind of impress upon you for a minute that students have a certain power that you might not realize that you have, all right? I mean, why can students initiate social change? What's this power students have? All right, it's because, guys, they always have before. Many times, students have been the ones to initiate social change. Guys, it was students that sat at the lunch counter. It was in Greensboro, North Carolina, 1960. And they refused to leave when they were asked to leave. It started something. All right, it started the civil rights movement. It started it right there. I mean, that was a part of it. They really got it rolling. Guys, in Birmingham, Alabama, in 1963, it was students, all right, that marched and took the fire hoses, took the dogs, barking at them and biting them. That was students that did that, okay? Guys, for half of my life, there was a wall between East and West Berlin, all right? But in 1989, a bunch of students went running up to that wall. You see, there was a time anyone that approached that wall, they were shot dead. But that day, there were so many students that ran up there at once. All right? There was nothing they couldn't stop them. And they brought tools up there and equipment, finally, and just started tearing down that wall, and they took the wall down. All right? And Berlin is back together now. Germany is one country, not two anymore. And guys, it wasn't just a long time ago. I mean, right now, students are demanding change. In Parkland, Florida, 2018, there was a school shooting down there. That's just one of many that have happened. But the students have rallied down there. And they kind of said, that's enough. All right? Some of you might know this young lady. She's one of my heroes. Brenna Fundberg. All right, she's from Sweden. There's a picture of her right here. She's giving a speech at the United Nations. She's 16 years old doing this, right? Times Person of the Year, 16 years old. She's 17 right now. Right? She's demanding change, and it's making a difference. And I guess, y'all, just the point I'm trying to make is that students, y'all have a power, kind of a power that adults, they don't possess. All right? Students have a power to make social change, and a power that adults don't have. All right, that's it. I just wanted to let you guys know that. Thanks.